When you get ready to plant your bulbs in early spring, your perennials especially, site selection is more than just saying you're going to plant them in the ground. How much sun does it get? And are you going to be able to water the thing? The sun situation is probably the biggest mistake that most people make. These daylilies, say right on the front of the package, it says full sun. And don't be fooled to thinking that you can plant this thing in the shade and it'll be all right because it gets a few hours in the morning. This dahlia is the same way. It says full sun. But the peony over here talks about full sun to partial shade. Full sun is at least 6 hours a day. Partial sun, you know, would cut that down in the 4-hour range. And a shady area would get less than 2. But generally speaking, where you plant them has everything to do with how well they're going to perform and whether or not you're going to have them next year. The elephant ears that I've got in here, they'll work pretty well in some shade, but they'd rather have the sun too. If you plant your bulbs in an area that they're suited to, they'll be able to multiply and come back next year. If you don't, you may not even see them the first year. They'll be poorly grown and not well established enough to make it through the winter.